Hey guys, Dave Simmons here with Gunworks LLC, here to talk to you about our upcoming classes during the coronavirus pandemic and our policies and procedures associated with that. Alright, so our next class is coming up on Sunday, May 3rd at AM Shooting in Damascus, Maryland. Seats are $75 per person, and we are offering a discount right now to frontline workers associated with the pandemic, but we will talk about that a little bit more at the end of the video. So some policies and procedures we got to go over for those of you who are attending the class. You're going to have to wear a face covering. Everybody should know that, but if you don't, you have to. The state of Maryland and Montgomery County requires it. There's no way around it. Unfortunately, we don't have any face coverings that we can provide to students, so you will have to bring your own. What is a face covering? Any kind of surgical mask, medical mask, N95 masks, things of that nature, you can certainly bring those. Any homemade face coverings, bandanas, stuff like that, you can use those. You must bring your own face covering in order to get into the class. If you don't have a face covering, we cannot allow you into the class per our insurance requirements for doing classes during this time. You cannot use your shirt as a mask. Now, what does that mean? You can't do one of these. That doesn't count. We're not going to allow you in the class if you don't have a mask and you intend to do that. In the classroom, we will have all the seats spaced out at 6 feet so that we can maintain the minimum 6 feet of social distancing between persons. Even if you are quarantined together or your direct family members, anything like that, we're going to ask that everyone just stay socially distanced at 6 feet. That just keeps everything simple and uniform throughout the entire process in the class time period. So please just honor that. Let's see, eye protection. Everyone's got to bring their own eye protection. If you don't have eye protection, we have it available online for sale for $5. You can purchase that when you register for the course. You can also purchase it at the class. We have a bunch of them. So if you've already purchased a ticket and you didn't buy iPro, you can buy it while you're there. It's not a problem. We will not allow people to, we cannot allow people to share eye protection. So even if you are family members, in a relationship, quarantined together, anything like that, you're going to have your own individual eye protection. So sunglasses, shooting glasses, anything like that, that all counts. The little surgical masks, though, that have the face shields and stuff on them, you can't use those. That doesn't count as eye protection. You do have to wear glasses. Let's see. We will have hand sanitizer. Yes, believe it or not, we have hand sanitizer. We'll be at the class. You'll be able to sanitize when you come in. You'll be able to sanitize when you go out. We also do have a bathroom at the facility, so we will provide people the ability to wash their hands if they prefer to do that versus hand sanitizing. Doesn't really matter to us. As long as you're keeping your hands nice and clean, everybody's good. Let's see. You will be required to use hand sanitizer or wash your hands before we do the live fire portion of the class where you're using the UTM man marker conversion. Everybody's going to have to touch it. We will wipe it down after everybody shoots, like in between students before they shoot, but we're still going to have everybody hand sanitize or wash their hands before they handle the firearm. As far as that goes with the 6 feet of social distancing, instructors will be 6 feet away from you while we're explaining to you how to use that. However, if we see anybody doing anything unsafe with it that may cause accidental or intentional harm to themselves or others, we will breach that distance in order to mitigate that problem and take whatever necessary steps there are to keep everybody safe from that. We will not forego firearm safety just because of the 6 foot rule. It's not going to happen. Attendance. Everybody's got a book online. We don't allow walk-ins because of the limited number of seating that we have, and we can only allow 9 people into the class. I wish we didn't have to do that. I wish we could have 30, 40 people in there at a time. That would be awesome, but right now we just can't do it. So we ask that everybody book online. You can buy more than one ticket if you have a friend or somebody coming with you. That's fine. You can do that. Not a problem. We're going to ask that everybody arrives 15 minutes early so that we can get everybody checked in. That way we know who's there. And we can go ahead and start filling out all the certificates to get everybody out of there as soon as possible once the course is done. We don't want to keep you there any longer than you need to be. We will screen everybody at the door. We're just going to ask if you are currently experiencing any symptoms of the coronavirus. Please be honest with us. We don't want to put anybody in danger during this whole thing. If you begin to experience symptoms at home of any illness, flu, cough, cold, the simple sniffles, whatever it is, please stay home. Don't come to the class. That being said, if for whatever reason you cannot make it to the class, please contact us immediately to let us know so that we can pass your seat on to someone else that would like to take the class. Also, with that being said, you do not forfeit your money or your ticket if you cannot make it to the class. It's always been our policy that we don't do that shiesty kind of stuff. If you don't make it, we'll hold your ticket until a later class when we have one scheduled, and you're welcome to attend that one. Refunds will be dealt with on a case-by-case basis. If you would like a refund because you cannot attend the class, you must contact us directly. You can either email me, dave@dsgunworks.com, or you can call us at 304-885-9030, and we'll be more than happy to help you out and see what we can do for you. All right, so now that all of that is out of the way, we're going to go over our discount that we're doing right now for the coronavirus outbreak for all of our first responders, our frontline workers, healthcare, and all the other essential personnel that are keeping us safe and keeping the country running during this difficult time. The discount code is COVID-19, COVID-19. What that does is it gets you 19% off of your course registration. You enter that at checkout on the website. The code is posted there on the main page. You can go ahead and enter that. Entering the code is based on the honor system. We're not going to ask anyone to show us their papers or anything like that. If you are a nurse, doctor, tech, hospital security, housekeepers, even administrators, they got it difficult too, just like the rest of us. If you're a truck driver, delivery driver, you work at a restaurant, if you're the guy at 7-Eleven that's serving all these other folks their coffee early in the morning, you're entitled to the discount. Please use it. We want to show our appreciation for everybody. So if you don't qualify for it, let's honor those that do qualify for it, and let's keep it exclusive to them. So other than that, that's all I have for you. If anyone's got any questions, please feel free to contact me at the information already listed in the video. My contact information is also listed on the website under the contact tab. You can call us or email us at any time, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. So outside of that, we hope everybody stays safe, and we look forward to seeing everybody on May 3rd. Thanks.